Hello guys, welcome back to this channel Berani Belajar, kalian harus berani. Ya, jumpa lagi kita ya pagi hari ini sekarang. Kita masuk ke unit 26, pembahasan mengenai can, could, and be able to. Jadi penggunaan mereka seperti apa sih gitu ya. Kita langsung aja ke bagian A. We use can to say that something is possible or allow. Kita menggunakan can untuk sesuatu yang mungkin dan allow, diperbolehkan. Or that somebody has the ability to do something, atau seseorang memiliki kemampuan untuk melakukan sesuatu, maka kita menggunakan can plus infinitive. Infinitive apa contohnya? Kayak do, see, eat, speak gitu ya, dan lain sebagainya. Itu namanya infinitive. Contohnya, we can see the lake from our hotel. Oke. Kita dapat melihat danau itu dari hotel kita. Kemudian I don't have pen. You can use mine. Kau dapat menggunakan punyaku gitu ya. Oke. Can you speak any foreign languages? Apakah kau bisa berbicara bahasa asing gitu ya. Kemudian I can come and see you tomorrow if you like. Kita udah bahas yang if juga ya. Penggunaan if itu seperti pakai present. I can come and see you tomorrow if you like. Kemudian the word dream can be a noun or a verb. Penggunaan kata dream can be a noun or verb, dapat berupa kata benda ataupun kata kerja, ya kan? Kemudian negative term atau negatif dari can adalah cannot atau can gitu. I can. Kalau kita cek di di Google Translate ya, penggunaan can itu cara ngomongnya seperti ini.
Can't.
I can't. Jadi ada penekanan T-nya di akhir. I can't. Kalau misalnya can biasa ya udah I can aja. Coba ya, ini dengar ya, ini yang pakai T.
Can't.
Can't. Ini yang enggak.
Can.
Can. I can. I can't. I can't. Oke. I'm afraid I can't come to the party on Friday. Oke. Yang B, you can say that somebody is able to do something, but can is more usual. Sebenarnya kita dapat mengatakan is able to do something itu sama sebenarnya penggunaan sama can, tapi lebih sering dipakai orang itu lebih usual digunakan sehari-hari pakai can aja. Bisa bilang we are able to see the lake from our hotel. Ya kayak ribet aja bilang we can see the lake from our hotel, udah kelar gitu ya kan. Kemudian but can has only two forms. Tapi si can ini memiliki hanya dua form pembentuknya, bisa di can present sama could past. So sometimes it's necessary to use be able, sehingga kita penting juga untuk mengetahui penggunaan be able ini, karena tadi si can itu hanya dua form ya, present sama si past ya. Present can, past itu could ya. Oke, contohnya I can't sleep. Nah, oke, aku nggak bisa tidur. Terus dia bilang I haven't been able to sleep recently. Oke. Tom can come tomorrow. Kemudian Tom might be able to come tomorrow. Oke. Kemudian Maria can speak French, Spanish, and English. Kemudian applicants for the job must be able to speak 2 foreign languages. Oke ya. Sebenarnya maksudnya sama aja sih. Oke. C. Sometimes could is the past of can. We use could especially with. Jadi could itu bentuk past dari si can ini tadi, sehingga penggunaan could itu biasanya diiringi oleh penggunaan see, biasanya hear, smell, taste, feel, remember, understand. Contohnya, we had a lovely room in the hotel. We could see the lake. Oke. Kita memiliki hotel yang nyaman gitu, yang indah. We could see the lake. Kita dapat melihat danau gitu ya. As soon as I walk into the room, saat aku berjalan masuk ke ruangan, I could smell gas. Aku dapat mencium bau gas, ya kan? Itu dia pakai apa? Kan kalau tadi see ya, could see, could smell, sama hear ya. Hear. I was sitting at the back of the theater and couldn't hear very well. Aku gak bisa dengar terlalu bagus gitu, karena dia duduk di belakang gitu. We also use could to say that somebody had the ability to do something or was allowed to do something. Nah, jadi kita bisa juga penggunaan could itu untuk mengatakan seseorang memiliki kemampuan untuk melakukan sesuatu atau was allowed to do something. Dia diperbolehkan melakukan sesuatu. Maksudnya kayak mana tuh? Kita lihat contohnya. My grandfather could speak 5 languages. Berarti dia punya ability untuk melakukan sesuatu. My grandfather could speak 5 languages. Kemudian, we were totally free. We could do what we want. Kita berarti diperbolehkan melakukan sesuatu karena we were totally free. We could do what we want. Oke. Jadi itu ya. Say somebody had the ability to do something sama was allowed to do something. Misalnya aku bilang PR-ku sudah aku sudah mengerjakan PR-ku. I've done my homework. We could do what we want now. Atau we can juga sih. Kemudian could sama was able to. Could sama was able to. Penggunaan could itu untuk general ability. Cuma kayak contohnya see, her, hear, I heard. Penggunaan could itu untuk kemampuan yang umum ya. Contohnya penglihatan, pendengaran, atau berbicara gitu ya. Contohnya, my grandfather could speak 5 languages. Kemudian, I could see them but not very clearly. Nah, tapi to say that somebody succeeded in doing something in specific situation, tapi untuk mengatakan seseorang berhasil melakukan sesuatu pada situasi yang spesifik, we normally use was atau were able to or managed to, not could. Oke? Karena dia di specific situation, kita pakai ini tadi, was or were able to, was atau were able to manage to. Jadi kita nggak menggunakan could ya. Gimana tuh contohnya bang? Oke. The fire spread quickly, but everybody was able to escape. Nah, jadi api itu menyebar dengan cepat, tapi semua orang mampu untuk kabur gitu ya. Karena specific situation ya. Jadi not could escape. Karena kalau could escape itu kayak hal yang biasa aja gitu ya, normally situation gitu, normal general situation, nah kayak gitu. Coba kita compare biar kebayang lagi. Jack was an excellent tennis player when he was younger. Okay? Jack was an excellent tennis player when he was younger. He could beat anybody. He was good enough to beat anybody. He had the ability. Okay, itu dia ability-nya. Tapi nggak situation gitu ya. Jack and Andy played a match yesterday and played well, but Jack managed to beat him. Kalau ini berarti dia udah sukses ya. Managed to beat him. And Andy played well, but Jack managed to beat him. He succeeded in beating him in this time gitu ya. Udah dikalahkannya, itu dia. Tadi kalau could itu kayak belum. Kemudian kalau managed to itu he succeeded in beating him this time. He was good enough to beat everybody. He had the ability. Kita bilang dia punya kemampuan aja, tapi kayak belum kalau dia bertanding belum tahuan siapa yang menang sebenarnya. Kemudian negatif couldn't atau could not itu is possible in all situation. Bisa dimungkinkan pada semua situasi. Contohnya, my grandfather couldn't swim. I look for Max everywhere, but I couldn't find him. And Andy played well, but he couldn't beat Jack. Nah, jadi kayak semuanya bisa dipakai ya. Ingat itu juga negatif form dari kata can yang pas jadi cool ya. Tergantung, kalau can berarti nanti dia untuk present. Kalau could atau was were able to itu udah pakai word past ya gitu ya. Nanti lihat aja di could do and could have done unit 27, must and can't unit 28, can and could you unit 37. Kita masuk ke exercise ya guys ya. Complete the sentences using can or be able to. If can is not possible, kita dapat menggunakan be able to. Jadi kita lihat apakah cocok pakai can atau pakai be able to. Gary has traveled a lot. Si Gary udah banyak bepergian. He can speak 5 languages. Dia dapat berbicara 5 bahasa. Kemudian, I haven't been able to sleep very well recently. Berarti kita sebenarnya lihat aja, kalau can nggak bisa baru kita pakai able to ya. Bentar, jadi kalau can itu dia nggak bisa digunakan buat can has only to form present and could, so sometimes it's necessary be able to. Oh, karena dia negatif nih ya. Tapi sebenarnya bisa juga sih, kan I can't, I won't be able to sleep. Jadi penggunaan be able to ini aku kurang paham sih. Has the ability. We use can to say something is possible, mungkin atau diperbolehkan. Atau seseorang has the ability to do something, atau seseorang memiliki sesuatu, dapat kemampuan untuk melakukan sesuatu. You can say that somebody is able to do something but can more usual. But can has only to function certain thing. Karena dia sleep very well recently, itu kan spesifik ya, specific situation, makanya kita be able to. I haven't been able to. Specific situation sama dia pakai perfect ya, sedangkan kita tahu si can itu tadi punya 2, jadi ya present sama past. Ini dia formsnya. Nah, lihat, I haven't been able to. Nah, itu bisa ya, I haven't be able to sleep. Oke. Kemudian itu dia, makanya dikasih contoh yang ini tadi ya. I can sama be able to nih. Been, might, itu bebas, yang penting dia be ya. Been, might, be able to pokoknya. Oke, kita lihat number 3. Nicole drive but she doesn't have car. Nicole can drive. Oke, kemudian I used to blank stand on my head but I can't do it anymore. I used to can stand, kurang cocok. I used to be able to stand on my head, but I can't do it anymore. Okay. I can't understand Mark. I've never been able to. Karena ini perfect ya. I've never been able to understand him. Ini perfect. Berarti kita pakai be able to. Kemudian 6. I can't see you on Friday, but I can meet you on Saturday morning. Or will be able to juga nggak bisa aja sih, sama aja. Kemudian 7. Ask Catherine about your problem. She might be able to, karena dia spesifik ya kan, about problem itu she might can help you. About your problem tadi spesifik, si Catherine itu bisa menyelesaikan masalahnya gitu. You have to be careful in this part of the city. It can be dangerous. Okay. Michael has lived in Italy a long time, so he should, karena ini spesifik ya, dia live in Italy a long time, berarti he should be able to speak Italian, ya kan? Oke. Kemudian 26.2, write sentences about yourself using the ideas in brackets. Okay. Something you used to be able to do. I used to be able to sing well. Okay. Something you used to be able to do, sama lagi ya. Aku bisa ngapain ya? I used to be able to watch and series non-stop. I used to be able to watch and series a series non-stop. Kemudian something you would like to able to do. Maksudnya berarti dia bilang apa yang kita inginkan ya. Berarti I'd like to be able speak. I'd like to be able to speak German. Kemudian something you have never been able to. I've never been able to get. I've never been able to, ngapain aku yang nggak pernah ya? I've never been able to ini aja lah. I've never been able to get up early. Aku gak akan pernah bisa bangun cepat, kira-kira kayak gitu ya. Kemudian 26.3, complete the sentences with can, can't, could, couldn't, dan kata infinitive yang mengikutinya. I'm afraid I can't come to your party next week. Okay. When Dan was 16, he was He could run. Okay, he could run 100 meters in 11 seconds. Okay. Udah ya, Ran. Are you in a hurry? No, I've got plenty of time. I Are you in I can wait. Okay. I don't feel good this morning. Aku nggak merasa baik hari ini. Kan katanya I don't feel good this morning. This morning berarti kan kemarin. Berarti I couldn't sleep. Ya kan? I couldn't sleep. Okay. Can you speak a little louder? I hear berarti. I can hear you. I can hear you. I was amazed when I heard the news. I couldn't believe it. Aku terkejut, aku shock ketika aku mendengarkan berita itu. Aku nggak percaya, katanya kayak gitu. Kemudian 26.4, complete the answer to the questions with was or were able to, ya. Did everybody escape from the fire? Apakah semua orang berhasil kabur dari kobaran api misalnya gitu ya. Lari dari kobaran api. Yes, the fire spread quickly but everybody was able to escape. Okay. Did you finish your work this afternoon? Okay. Yes, there was nobody disturb me, so I was able to finish it. Sebenarnya ini kayak gampang ya, kan udah dikasihnya was atau were able to, berarti ini merujuk pada specific situationnya. Dia kayak ngasih contohnya aja sih. Did you solve the problem? Yes, we did. It wasn't easy, but we were able to solve. Able to solve it. Okay. Did the thief get away? Yes, no one realized what was happening and the thief was able to get away. No one realized no one realized what was happening and the thief was able to get away. Okay. Coba ya kita pahami. Did the thief get away? Apakah kabur? Yes. Ya, no one realized what was happening. Gak ada yang nyadar apa yang sedang terjadi saat itu. And the thief was able to get away, dan si pencuri dapat kabur gitu. Kan no one realized ini satu. What was happening? Ini ada juga. And the thief nih. Sebenarnya ada ini kalimat bisa dibilang kalimat majemuk ya, ada dua dia soalnya ada anaknya. Ada what, penanda anak, what's happening. No one realize sama no what's happening gitu ya. Tapi ini nanti dibahas di sesi terpisah aja lah. Tapi ini yang cocok, ini was able to get away ya. Kemudian 26.5, complete the sentences using could, couldn't, or managed to. Okay. My grandfather traveled a lot. He could speak 5 languages. Okay. I looked everywhere for the book, but I couldn't find it. Kemudian 3, they didn't want to come with us, at first, but we managed to pursue them. Okay. Jessica had hurt her foot and couldn't walk very well. Oke. Kemudian there was a small fire in the kitchen, but fortunately kan situasinya apa ya? Kalau manage to itu penggunaannya sama ya, kayak was able to, tapi manage ini untuk yang spesifik, situasi spesifik kan. Small fire itu kan apalah, nggak sering ditemukan juga ya. But fortunately I managed to put it out. Okay. 6. The walls were thin and I cool. Dindingnya tipis dan aku dapat mendengarkan orang berbicara di samping ruangan ini gitu ya. I ran my first marathon recently. It was very hard, but I could finish. Could atau manage ya. Tapi ini apa namanya, nggak setiap apa kan spesifik situasi kan si maraton itu. Manage to lah kali ya. Manage to. My grandmother loved music. She could play the piano very well. Okay. 9. We want to get to the concert, but we wanted to go to the concert, but we couldn't get lah ya, belum dapat tiket nih maksudnya. Couldn't get tickets. A girl fell into the river, but some people managed to pull her out. Kan spesifik situasi lah ini kan terjadi kayak gini. She's all right now. Oke. Selesai pembahasan kita di 26 dari 145. Ini aku akan membalap sebenarnya. Jadi satu harinya mungkin bisa lebih dari banyak video ya. Tapi nggak tahu itu berhasil apa enggak. Soalnya minggu depan aku ada kegiatan kerja praktek, harus kan aku ke luar kota gitu kan. Nah jadi daripada nanti repot, jadi kita selesaikan aja gitu ya. Jadi ini masih it's a long way, so keep learning guys.